In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing for specific cells in Google Sheets. This is a great way to maintain the integrity of your data while allowing others to view or make changes only where you want them to. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. You can simply navigate to Google Sheets and select the sheet you wish to edit. Or if it's a new file, you can create one by clicking on the plus sign to open a blank spreadsheet. Once your sheet is open, you're ready to identify which cells you want to protect. Next, highlight all the cells that you want to protect from editing. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the cells, or if the cells are not in consecutive order, you can hold the Command key on Mac or Control key on Windows while selecting individual cells. This selection will ensure that only the highlighted cells are included in the protection settings. Now, head to the top of the screen and click on the Data option in the menu bar. This will open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. This feature allows you to manage permissions for specific cells and sections of your spreadsheet. At this point, you'll see a panel on the right-hand side that allows you to add a description. While this step is optional, typing in a warning message is a good practice. It acts as a reminder to other users that these cells are protected and provides a brief explanation or warning about the restrictions in place. After adding your message, click on the Set Permissions button, which is found within the same panel. Here, you'll be able to specify who can edit the selected cells. By default, this should bring up your permissions settings. Choose Only You from the list of options. This setting ensures that only you, the document owner, can make changes to the protected cells. If at any point in the future you wish to allow another user to modify the protected cells, you can come back to these settings and add names or email addresses of other trusted individuals. Finally, click on the Done button to save these settings. After clicking Done, your selections are saved, and the cells you chose are now protected from editing by anyone else but you. And that's it. You've successfully set up restrictions to protect your data. Knowing how to use this feature means you can share your Google Sheets with confidence that your important data stays intact. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.